Hi, I'm Raymond Angala from Bike Night Asia. Thank you very much first and foremost for inviting Honda Philippines, for inviting us dito sa ganitong klaseng event to try out your bikes at the same time to gain knowledge at kung ano na nga ba yung update pagdating sa technology ni Honda motorcycles currently. Yung tinest namin ngayon is yung Click na 160. So far, kung ikukumpara ko siya dun sa iba, which is yung usual kong ginagamit, sobrang laking difference. Yung first na nakita kong difference is yung acceleration. So sobrang solid nung acceleration. I don't know how it happens, pero sobrang kapag binigyan mo siya, yung sobrang maliit na change dun sa throttle makes a lot of difference pagdating dun sa acceleration niya. Secondly, na pinakamalaki kong nakita, pinaka-nagustuhan ko is yung braking system. The combi braking system works. It definitely works. So kumpara doon sa conventional na brakes na again, na usual kung dinadrag ko na yung likod, yung combi brakes at a glance is kumbaga kung hindi mo siya matetest on your own, you'd say na it's the same thing. It's the same thing na ginagamit mo para doon sa mga motorcycles na na-try mo na before pero it's not. So doon sa years of that I've been doing motorcycle, at ito yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang braking system na nakuha ko, not because of the combi braking itself. So power, braking, aesthetics, the technology inside the motorcycle, it's definitely something that you must try at the same time consider buying as your new bike for daily use or for leisure as well. Thanks.